I once again welcome you all for accomplishing your goal by doing your masters here. Okay, so kindly don't miss out classes, enjoy your stay here, learn well. Okay, you start with the prayer. If you can join with me. You can unmute and join with me. There's no problem in that. Okay. Sacred Heart students, who are here, they know the prayer. Right? So let us pray. O God, the source of all truth and wisdom, bless our work and study, which we offer you. Enlighten our minds, strengthen our memories, and direct our wills towards what is right. Enable us always to seek the truth and make us truly wise. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Okay. Yeah. Happy morning, all. Hope you would have gone through all the orientation sessions. I think you would have learned something new, and a new learning will have a good beginning. Okay. So today I'll just go with one or two videos, and we'll discuss what else. What are all the things that we know already? Okay. So I'll go into unit one. Straight away the unit one. Before that, I would like to brief you the syllabus of total quality management. So for this semester, I'm going to handle total quality management for you. Okay. So let me close my video because it will consume more, since you do have many number of classes, so it will consume more data. Okay. Is the window visible? Word document is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
as visible, sir.
total, yeah, yes. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir, it is
Yes, sir.
visible.
Yeah, yeah. Just a moment. Okay. So course objective, so TQM, total quality management. Course objectives is to develop an understanding on product quality characteristics and service quality characteristics. So we are here to learn this too. Product quality and service quality. End of the day, we will be landing into customers area. So to learn the key steps in quality control, then course outcomes, quality management philosophies and tools to facilitate continuous improvement and ensure customer delight, which are learned by students. Then make the students understand the quality management process in today's dynamic corporate world. So we have 5 units in TQM. First unit, we will be learning about the concepts of quality management. So TQM framework, benefits, awareness and obstacles, and so on. We'll go through it. Then unit 2, principles and philosophies of quality management. Okay, what Deming said, what Juran said, what Crosby said, what Masaki Mai said. Okay, Kaizen concept, 5S, Six Sigma, Taguchi methods. So 8D methodology. So we'll be learning all this. Then process capability. Process capability is like Six Sigma. Will be into Six Sigma, total productive maintenance, reliability concepts, and business process re-engineering. Then tools and techniques for quality management is a voice of customer, house of quality, failure mode effective analysis, FEMA. Then Pokayok will learn that too. And at last, hope you would have reminded about this ISO. So quality standard, ISO, quality management system, documentation, quality audits, TQM culture, good quality standards. Can anybody tell me? Yesterday there was a government order to all the uh, goldsmith and jewelry showrooms. Okay, so that was an order from government. Can anybody tell me that? Not only in Tamil Nadu, whole country is following that. Tamil Nadu it is being implemented right from today. Is anybody aware of that? Even they had a 2.5 hours, 3 hours strike yesterday morning all over Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu students would have been noticed that. யாராவது பார்த்தியா நியூஸ்? Anybody? Don't text me. You can unmute and you can talk. I'll call anybody.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, the rate is fixed for the all small shops also, sir, including it will be
Roll
affecting
number
for the
32.
gold.
What is your name? What is your name, sir?
Santosh, sir.
Okay. So, it is not only for Santosh, it is for all. I request you to change your, like you, what you do is like, for example, BP210732, if it is your number. Okay, just put 732 and your name, space your name, or hyphen your name. Am I clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear to all? இப்போ நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுறீங்க, உங்களுடைய நேம் ரீநேம் பண்ணுங்க. அந்த ரீநேம் பண்ணுற நேம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யுவர் ரிஜிஸ்டர் நம்பர் BP210 வேண்டாம், 701, 702, 703, something like that. Okay, so kindly change that and 703 space your name, full name. Okay, kindly don't put any fancy names there, put your name. So it will be, so we have automatically, I have automatically generating attendance sheet, so that will generate the attendance. Okay, so kindly cooperate with us another week, I think so. Even I don't know whether it may be there for 1 month. You may have offline class, again you may have online classes, maybe God knows. Okay, there are many issues going around, so let us be prepared for all. So I request you to change your, by next class or next class onwards. Okay, like immediately you will complete your class and do it. Change your name, rename it. Okay. Yes, roll number 32. What's your name?
Sir, Santosh, sir.
Yes, Santosh. Tell me, what was the government order?
Sir, for the prices should be equal in all the shops, sir. It will not, so it will not affect the small shops, sir. So
No. There were something news about quality standard.
Sir, I heard about this only, sir.
Actually, have you all heard about this 916?
Hallmark 916.
Hallmark 916. Very good. What is that for?
Sir, quality of the gold, sir.
It's where you have a 916. It is like 916, 91.6%. It is that. So your gold is pure enough for above 90%. Okay. See, that is a quality standard. So you need to get a 916. So far, what each and every jewelry shop owners or goldsmith do is like what they do. Usually they just to print 916 and they give it to us. What government is insisting is to give the code, okay, code register number for each and every you buy a ring. There should be a 916 and register number. I don't know how where you will put. For example, if you are buying a 2 or 3 or 1 ring, I don't know how to put the 916 that 6-digit number there inside. Then there will be no space. I think that will become a design, I think. Okay, but government is insisting to make the impression of the number as well as the logo for 916. So hallmark. Okay, so this was yesterday's GO from quality standards. So that's an example for you. So in day-to-day life, we do have many number of things to learn in quality management. Okay, so since you are there becoming a buddy managers in future, so what you do, you have to prepare yourself to provide a quality product, quality service. So everything, everywhere we do expect quality. See, we go to a shop, we expect a quality there. We go anywhere, we expect a quality there. So that is a thing that we have for total quality management. Okay, see the textbook. You can find all these books in our library. Okay, it is not compulsory to buy your book. I'll give you PPT, I'll give you notes, but then it's good to go and refer books. Okay, you refer books, you'll learn more. Okay, Sridhara Bhatt is a local author, and Dale H. Westfield is a foreign author. So you can have these 2 books are really good. Sridhara Bhatt book romba nalla irukum. Okay, that's all. That's all about the syllabus. So we'll go with unit 1 with some basic introduction today. Okay. Yeah, few asked me, sir, what about waiting list? Waiting list, you are not considered as a waiting list, my dear. You are there admitted in the TANSET quota. Okay, so you people can have your name, have your full name. That's enough. So once these people come with 1 to 42 or 1 to 49 as a number, so others can just rename with your full name. Okay, kindly don't put any fancy names there. I'm giving you this instruction again and again. Please do follow it. Okay, and do you know who is your class teacher? Nobody knows that.
Yes, sir.
Who is that?
Professor Lawrence.
Lawrence, sir.
Yes, sir.
Professor Lawrence.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. See, only you can approach me for TANSET and you can approach me for SET. So I'll finish this 2 video. We'll come to that. Okay, good.
The first seeds of quality management were planted as the principles of scientific management swept through US industry during 1920s. During 1930s, Walter H. Watt developed the methods for statistical analysis and control of quality. Originally, it developed in Japan to reconstruct Japan's economy post-World War II during 1950s. The Japanese welcomed the input of Americans, Joseph M. Duran and W. Edwards Deming, to rebuild their economic structure. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, the developed Western countries suffered economically in the face of stiff competition by Japan. By the 1970s, US industrial sectors such as automobiles and electronics had been broadsided by Japan's high-quality competition. The US response, emphasizing not only statistics but approaches that embraced the entire organization, became known as Total Quality Management (TQM). As the 21st century began, the quality movement has matured. New quality systems have evolved beyond the foundations laid by Deming, Juran, and the early Japanese practitioners of quality. Quality standards such as the ISO 9000 series and quality award programs such as the Deming Prize and the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award specify principles and processes that comprise TQM. TQM was originally designed as a method of production, but now it has been adopted as a management principle and process improvement concept for the service industry also. Thus, TQM is a management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction. In simple words, TQM can be defined as a corporate culture characterized by increased customer satisfaction through continuous improvements, in which all employees in the firm actively participate.
So we'll see the evolution now. Okay, evolution.
So we have now learned that quality is fitness for use. I'd like to take you into a deep dive into the evolution of quality. I'd like to start by asking you to think about a craftsman. The craftsman that built the Taj Mahal, the craftsman that built the Madurai temples, the craftsman that built the pyramids in Egypt. What attributes do you associate with the craftsman? Creativity, imagination, understanding customer requirements, skills, and so on. I'd like to put a structure to the attributes. The craftsman understood customer needs. He translated the needs into features. He benchmarked the features and set product goals. These product goals had to be achieved through work to be done. We call it a process. Process features. He benchmarked process features and set process goals. The craftsman, his survival depended on doing brilliant work for his customers. The craftsman's reputation depended on excellent work, and this reputation, the branding, had to be carried through generations. So he had to optimize his costs and come up with a process that has capability. To me, the craftsman is the icon for world-class quality. So what happened to those craftsman-like skills? Came industrialization. In industrialization, work that flowed horizontally to the customer got divided into silos. These silos took names: purchase, operations, marketing. Ownership was given by silo. Planning was done by silo. And goals were established based on money. Came the First World War. And during the war, people who worked in factories were called to the battlefront. Factories were left with elders, and they had to run the factories with housewives and children. In those days, housewives and children were not so educated. In fact, they were hardly educated. So the elders did the planning, and the housewives and the children did the doing. These we called as staff and line. Today, the difference between the education of staff and line has vanish. The aim of quality management is therefore to break the barriers of the functions and to enable the line people to do their own planning. One of the most underemployed assets of an organization is the experience resident in the line people. What do we accomplish by this? We accomplish this that customers will receive quality that is fit for use. How does the customer measure quality? Or why does the customer come to you? Customer comes to you when they are satisfied, and satisfaction is a ratio of customer perception and customer expectation. The troublemaker here is expectation. Expectation is a moving target because the aim of competition is to nullify your strengths and raise the expectation levels of customers. So what satisfied a customer 1 month ago may not necessarily satisfy the customer now, although the perception continues to remain the same. That's what quality is about, basically. Customer, process. We need to control the process. We need to keep improving the process. We need to be achieving process performance that's faster, better, cheaper.
Can anybody tell me what is the essence of this particular video? What you have learned?
Sir, there is about industrialization.
Santosh, can you be louder?
Sir, there is about industrialization
Okay.
and the process which is based and the customers, and also they have two main things to be followed, that is the quality and the customer satisfaction.
Yeah, very nice. Then anybody else? Anybody else? Hariharan? Hariharan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me
Sir,
something.
the video is not understanding, sir.
Hmm. Lokesh Kumar? Lokesh Kumar? Lokesh Kumar, can you unmute?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Lokesh Kumar, what you observed? What is your observation? Should interact. Pooja Sri? Pooja Sri?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
So I can't understood the video.
You cannot understand. See, I I
The
cannot
voice is
find a
not clear, sir.
more simpler video. Leave the voice. At least tell me whatever that you found in clip. That was
About
an animated video, right? Tell me.
industrialization, sir,
Okay.
and That
That's it. Steward Steve. Who's that? Steward Steve.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Steward.
Sir, it shows that how people was then educated and now, sir. How
Then.
the, at that time, how the people are educated, and now how people were educated.
Okay. Yoshini. Yoshini.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, ma.
Sir, I learned from this video how to customers get satisfaction in one product.
Yes. Anybody else? Any volunteers? See, always you do participate, you discuss, then only see learning என்றது நீங்க நானும் ரெண்டு பேருமே சேர்ந்து லேர்ன் பண்ணலாம். Okay. Simply I am shouting at you and you just be like a wall and it's waste. You kindly observe each and every happenings in the class and then do respond. Okay. So kindly be sharp. Okay, kindly be sharp and smart. Okay. So we were learning the evolution of total quality management. In see both the videos, they were insisting about this World War I, World War II. Somebody could have asked me questions, sir, why World War? See, I'll tell you the history. Okay, I'll tell you few history. See that history, what had happened before is like in World War I, everybody were there into gunpowder. Okay, gunpowder, and then bullet has got started in that way. Till then, gunpowder was there. When it was World War I, German, US, and so-called superpowers, what they did, they started producing bullets. Okay, bullet type guns. Okay, and all those were with loading bullets. Okay, loading bullets, six bullets in a magazine, 10 bullets in a magazine, in that way. Okay, or they have made some machine guns with some many number of magazines. Okay, a chain of magazines will be given to them, and that was not up to a good quality. All those tanks, small tanks, which was not of good quality. Each and every tank was not enough and not capable of withstanding the both the side. I'm talking about both the side. See, I make one hit at you, immediately your tank is bursting. You make one hit at me, my tank is bursting. So everybody were into this billion-dollar question, why this happens? And end of the day, they found it that it is because of quality. Okay. So in World War I, they started all their research and development towards this particular warfares. Okay, research and development was not done with computer. Research and development was not done with any other scientific. Research and development initially started with war fields. Okay, what they did, they started producing good quality of guns, magazines, missiles, more and more helicopters, tanks, everything. They started research and development. Okay, you see in all country now today's uh, missile production or helicopter production or any other war or defense utilized production items. All those companies will be very old, started before World War One and World War Two. Okay, in World War Two, World War One and World War Two, Japan was the only country which had a huge hit. Hope you know about Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Okay, and you cannot and still, but think about Japanese. In India, we couldn't conduct Olympics, but Japan is conducting Olympics. India, they are not giving permission to conduct Olympics, but Japan, they are doing it. Very simple. That is a benchmark what Japan did. Japanese were very much into quality production. When everybody started their improvements into it, and many other countries faced an economical crisis, Japan was not after World War II. After World War II, Japanese started adopting Juran's methodology and Crosby's methodology in order to enrich, improve their quality. They started producing quality products. Very quality products. Where all other countries loved to buy it. Even a shirt, even a pant, even any apparel, they produced with good quality. They started improving themselves in the world called as IT, information technology. Now Japanese are many number of Japanese, they are with robots. They are into robotics. They are into robotics. Whole world is looking at them. What is the new thing that they are going to come up with? So I think within this decade, 2030, I think they will be releasing a robot which will be helping out. I don't know how many of you have watched many number of new movies are there in Hollywood, but Will Smith has acted in a movie, iRobots. Okay, that movie is really awesome, eye opener for future. That will be, I think, that will be made by or accomplished by Japanese, I think so. So Japanese was into it. So they produced quality goods and their GDP got improved only because of that. Or country or GDP quality vechi mattume mele kondanda country than Japan. Okay. So so that is the importance of quality. And then slowly many methodology came up and which was adopted by many number of organizations. This recently framed 5 years technology was done by Japanese. So we'll see all this methodology, all these techniques, how to adopt that in our organization to produce and provide a quality product and quality service to the customer. End of the day, we are here to produce a quality product. Can I know how many engineers are there in this group? Engineers. BE முடிச்சிட்டு எத்தனை பேர் இருக்கு இதுல? BE, completing BE. Is there anybody? Santosh Rai. Okay, good. Anybody else? No one. Only one. Good. Santosh Rai raised hand, then no sir. Santosh Rai, okay, no, okay, then nobody. Okay, good then. See, you people are there. You people will be there. Who is that? Who is that? Is it you? Santosh Rai, is that you? Okay, anybody else? Fine, nobody. Okay, so this is a impact of quality. You will become a manager. For example, you take operations management. What you do, you can go into an organization, you can become an operations manager there. First, initially you will be there as a trainee and you can come up in 1 or 2 or 3 years time span. Okay. So one thing is that you need to learn what is the essence of this quality management. Once you learn that, then it will be easy for you to come up in your career. Okay. So there are many number of opportunities in the organizations. Just if you are thorough with all the quality concepts, you are thorough with the operations management and so on. Okay, so good. We'll learn about more about total quality management from next class onwards. I'll start unit 1. Actually, we started. There is we have learned evolution today. Okay, after evolution, we'll see basics about total quality management, principles, needs, customer aspects, cost. So we'll deal all this in the unit 1. Okay, so good. Let's close the class here. And I need to know how many of you have not applied for CET exam. CET, tell me that. CET exam. Still, how many of you have not applied? CET. Kindly unmute. Those who have not applied. All applied, huh? Joseph, Santosh, you have not applied. Kindly text me those who have not applied. Text me. Just text me that you have not applied. See, my dear, if you are not applying for CET exam, you are not eligible to do MBA. Not only in Tamil Nadu, whole India. Okay, whole India, you will not be doing it. Those who have appeared for TANSET, no need. See, those who have appeared for TANSET, you need not to appear for CET. CET is a final option where it is being conducted for the students without TANSET. Got it? Kindly let me know. Yeah, Anthony Frida. Kindly complete it. Okay, those who have applied, kindly send me your application. Applied photocopy. Hope you have received a scanned copy, right? You have received a scanned copy. Print out vandirukkomla.
Yes, sir.
Courier amchirpinga. Kindly send that PDF to my mail ID. My mail ID is kindly note down this mail ID. It is in the chat box. Kindly note down my mail ID. Kindly send it to me. Let me see. Kindly send it with your mentioning your register number, your name. Mentioning your register number and your name. TANSET students need not to apply for CET exam. Okay, you are already eligible. You are already eligible. Other students, anybody else who have not? Other students who have not applied for it? Any other? Only Frida, Anthony Frida. Is there anybody? Naveen, Alvin Sukin. Why Alvin? You have not applied? Alvin, Anthony Frida, unmute பண்ணுங்க.
Yeah. Applied, sir.
Kindly do it today. Complete it today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anthony Frida.
Yes, sir.
இன்னைக்கு முடிக்கிறீங்க. இன்னைக்கு முடிச்சிட்டு எனக்கு அப்டேட் பண்றீங்க. Okay. Albin Francis. You have not applied Albin Francis?
No, sir.
Kindly do it today, man. Do you want anybody to come and invite you for that?
No, sir.
Please, Ignatius.
Yes, sir.
Kindly complete it.
Okay, sir.
Anybody else who have not applied? Anybody else who have not applied for the CET? See, if you have not applied, kindly apply. Then I cannot help you. If you are not getting your hall ticket, see, you have to apply in online, download that, go and fetch a demand draft from bank. Okay. If you are there under any quota like SC or ST or OBC, I think OBC you don't have, I think so. SC or ST, you need to attach one certificate, a photocopy of your community certificate. Okay. Only that. For that you can, I think 200 rupees or 250 rupees it seems. So you have to attach that and you send it to the address which I have already already made a screenshot and I have posted in the group, common group itself. Okay, so kindly fetch a DD and attach the DD and send them. Then only you will get your all ticket. All ticket, when you enter your address, whatever address that you have entered previously, you will get your hall ticket in that particular address. Okay, kindly have that in your mind. Completed by today. Don't rush up in the last hour. Okay, so good, all the best. Complete and update it to my mail ID. Okay, by today is the last day. It's a deadline fixed by me. Okay, today is the last day. Kindly complete it, because I need to follow. Then only you will get your all ticket. Okay, if your all ticket is missing, then I will follow them. Sir, my student have sent it, but you have not given the hall ticket. Hall ticket has not been generated. I'll tell them. Okay, see, before sending, kindly make a photocopy of your the online generated application and your DD. At least number of the note பண்ணி வை. ஒரு xerox எடுத்து வைக்கிறது தப்பு இல்ல. நாளைக்கு அங்க மிஸ் ஆயிருச்சு வெச்சுக்க DD, நம்ம இங்க கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, kindly have that in your mind. Kindly have a photocopy. ஒரு xerox ஒன்னு எடுத்து வச்சிரு, அப்படிதான் சொல்லணுமா? Okay, kindly take a photocopy. Don't forget. Okay, is there anything